How many of you are getting this answer? Write down yes. Very good, everyone. 10, 5, 2, 7. 10, 5, 2, 7. 2 and 7 open. 5 and 10 closed. Any number greater than 10 will be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. We required the positive part. Look back into the question. So the answer we can write in this case will be minus infinity to union 5 to 7, union 10 to infinity. How many of you got this answer correct? Write down yes. Very good. See this question. Okay, this one you're asking. Trace. Okay. Done. Now 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Right? 15 and 20 open and 5 and 10 closed. Right? So what we required. So this is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. What we want positive. Positive means this one. Now positive, this is positive, and this is again positive. So our answer would be, in this case, what I'm getting, minus infinity to 5, closed, union 10 to 15, closed once, and there it will be, and 20 to infinity. How many of you got this answer? Write down yes. Anyone want to ask anything in this? Okay, I guess great, right? So one more thing we can do, if it's only greater than 0, in the case only greater than 0, there isn't any close interval. Each and every number must be in open interval. This is called the open interval. So everything will be the open interval if I'm asking for this, right? So this, everything will be the open one, right? So for the second one, I guess everyone is getting this correctly. I'm going for the third one, x minus b. Only one or two question will be enough for you. X minus b, x plus c upon a minus x, b plus x less than 0, and first case a b c d 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, x minus 2, x plus 3, 1 minus x, and d is 4 plus x less than 0. This time I'm doing another way. Everyone first write down answer, then I'll write it down. Take your time. 2 minutes for you. Waiting for the response. Do it fast. -4, -3, 1, and 2. First, you have to mark, right? Put any value greater than 2. If any value greater than 2, I'm putting 10. 10 minus 2 positive, 10 plus 3 positive, 1 minus 10 negative, 4 plus 10 positive. So everything is coming as negative. Negative means it will start from lower than the number line, right? And alternatively, change the sign. Everything is open because it's only given less than 0. Look back into the question. What we required less than 0 means the negative portion. So this portion and there itself. So what answer you are getting is minus infinity to -4 union -3 to 1 union 2 to infinity. It was 4, not 7. Yes, Hans? You want to ask anything? Please ask. Okay, everyone? One more, please. Right? A, B, C, D. Right? Now A, B, C, D, A, B, C, Ds are given as for second question. This is 2, 3, 1, 5. B, C, A, D less than 0, right? So obviously first we have to make the number line, right? Now this will be 0 at -5, -1, 2, and 3. Obviously there is less than 0, so everything will be in the open interval, right? Put any value greater than 3. Suppose I'm putting value 10. 10 minus 3 positive, positive, negative, positive. So this is negative, right? So negative, positive, negative, positive, right? Look back into the question. What is the requirement? Less than 0. So this is less than 0, this is less than 0, this is less than 0. What we required, so this is the requirement. How to write the answer? So everyone write it down. How many of you got the right answer for this? Write it down. Very good, everyone. You all are very good, yaar. Marvelous. छा गए हो. Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Very good. So hope everyone is getting this concept, right? So now, should I start further? आगे start करूं? Everyone okay with this? तो मैं क्या आगे start कर सकता हूं? Okay. Now, look into this, right? एक बड़ा प्यारा सा चीज तुम्हें दिखाता हूं. X minus 1 to the power even and x minus 1 to the power odd, right? x minus 1 to the power even, x minus 1 to the power odd, right? ये दो चीज मैं यहाँ पर वर्किंग कर रहा हूँ, राइट? एक इवन के लिए, एक ऑड के लिए. इवन में मे बी द पावर विल बी 2 3 2 4 600 200 1000 लैक्स, कुछ भी आप बोल दो. तो x माइनस 1 को मैं 2 पावर करके ही दिखा रहा हूँ, एंड यहाँ पर मैं x माइनस 1 का पावर 3 करके दिखा रहा हूँ, राइट? ऑड के लिए एंड इवन के लिए, राइट? केस फर्स्ट, अगर इवन पावर की बात होगी देन इट विल बी 0 एट 1, दो बार लिखूंगा. वो 2 पावर हो, 4 हो, 100 हो, 200 हो, कि मैं ये सिंबॉलिक है, ये इवन है मतलब दो बार है, दो इवन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, राइट? एंड यहाँ जब ऑड पावर है तो ऑड के लिए मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक बार को रिप्रेजेंट करूंगा, राइट? 1 रिप्रेजेंट करता है, 1 रिप्रेजेंट करता है ऑड नंबर, राइट? ओके, दोनों तरफ ये बात रह गई. 1 के ऊपर की कोई वैल्यूज मैं बैठा हूं अगर, लाइक 10 15 100 कुछ भी, तो दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव. ऑड पावर के लिए मैं एक बार लिख रहा हूं नंबर लाइन पर, इवन पावर के लिए मैं दो बार लिख रहा हूं नंबर लाइन पर. तेज यही बताया हूं अभी तक, बस, राइट? तो अगर 1 से ऊपर मैं लिखूंगा कोई नंबर तो दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव, 1 के नीचे लिखूंगा तो दिस विल बी नेगेटिव. तो यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव साइन चेंज हो रहा है, बट ध्यान से सोचा जाए इस बात को, अगर मैंने 1 के ऊपर कोई क्वांटिटी रखी तो ये पॉजिटिव होगा, 1 पर एग्जैक्टली 0 होगा, और 1 के नीचे फिर से पॉजिटिव होगा, मतलब ये नीचे जा ही नहीं रहा है, ये ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव है या 0 हो रहा है, राइट? तो odd power change the sign, right? Even power not change the sign. जब भी आपको ऑड पावर मिलेगा तो साइन चेंज कर रहा होगा, इवन पावर मिलेगा तो साइन चेंज नहीं कर रहा होगा, राइट? ओके है? ओके, ओके, वेरी गुड, नोट इट डाउन. यस, इवन पावर है, साइन चेंज नहीं होगा, नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव ही रहेगा, पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा. ऑड पावर है तो पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव जाएगा, नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव जाएगा. इवन पावर विल नॉट चेंज द साइन, ऑड पावर विल चेंज द साइन. Rachit, okay. Noted. Means how it will go. Right? आप एक बार सोचो, फिर मैं बताता हूँ. Take your time. Look, very good, very good. See, first we have to make the number line, right? Now, look, x minus 1, so 1 will be coming once because the power is odd. X minus 3, power is even, so I'm writing 2 times. X minus 6, power is odd, I'm writing 1 time. X minus 9, power is even, I'm writing 2 times. Is it okay? Right? Put any value greater than 9. Any value greater than 9, obviously 10 minus 1 positive, 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 positive. So it started with positive. It started with positive, but it will not change the sign. Now change the sign, not change the sign, now change the sign. Look, at 1 and 3, this is greater than equal to 0, so it's a closed bracket for 1 and 3, but 6 and 9, it will be open, right? What is our requirement, right? What is our requirement? Look back into the question, we need greater than equal to 0. So this as well as this, and this, and this. Okay, positive or 0, right? Every time you have to be very conscious on that part, positive or 0. Now, positive or 0, minus infinity to 1, union 3 is there, आखिर में लिखता हूँ 6 to 9, union 9 to infinity, union 3. एक ये आंसर लिख सकता हूँ, या माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू 1, यूनियन 6 to infinity, यूनियन 3, negation 9. मैं ऐसे भी इस आंसर को लिख सकता हूँ. In both way we can write this. Because at 3 this is equal to 0. The sign, look at into the sign. Sign is saying greater than or equal to 0, not only greater than 0. Because 9 is in the denominator part and 1 upon 0 is not defined. So we have not to take 9. Last union, then union 3. This number 3. Nine coming twice ना, अभी पढ़ा ना ये, दो बार आ रहा है ना, जैसे one was coming twice, so it will not change the sign. Same way, 9 it will not change the sign. Why negate the sign? Because we know that if we have not to take this value 6 to 9, the number 6 to infinity, the number 9 is also coming, but at x is equal to 9, this will be not defined. So x is equal to 9 must not be there, right? That's the reason we have to negate. Okay, okay, good, 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 good. Anyone else? किसी और को कुछ पूछना हो, please? Now, do it fast. Very good. Send the answer. Yes, Kunal, write down please. Yes. अरे फिर लिख दे भाई, लिखने में क्या चला जाएगा, कॉपी करके पेस्ट कर दे. See, start with 2. 2 is coming once. Then 5 is coming once. Then 6 is coming twice. 7 is coming twice. 9 is coming once. 5 and 7 open. Only करना क्या ना कि जो भी डिनोमिनेटर में, राइट, डिनोमिनेटर हमेशा ओपन होगा, पहले तो उसे ओपन कर दो. एंड अगर अब यहाँ पर इक्वल टू साइन है तो और जो बचे हुए हैं उसको क्लोज कर दो, नहीं तो सब के सब ओपन होंगे. राइट, नाउ पुट एनी वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 9. राइट, 100 हमने पुट कर दिया. एवरीथिंग इज पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, राइट. व्हाट वी रिक्वायर्ड, हमें क्या चाहिए, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. राइट, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. सो क्या क्या पोर्शन है जो मेरे आंसर आ रहे हैं, साफ से दिखाई दे रहा है. दिस 2 to 5 क्लोज ओपन, यूनियन 6 भी चाहिए बट एग्जैक्टली 6 चाहिए, बाद में ले लेंगे. 9 to infinity यूनियन 6. वेरी गुड, यस, वेरी गुड. सेवन हटाने की जरूरत ही नहीं ना बेटा, आपने तो लिया ही नहीं है. 2 to 5, 9 to infinity में नेगेट 7 को करने का तो जरूरत ही नहीं है आपको, आपने तो पहले तो लिया ही नहीं है. यू हैव नॉट टेकन द वैल्यू ना. और किसी के डाउट आ रहे हो? कितने लोगों का सही है लिख दो पहले. यस सर. Okay, exactly at 6, see, this will be 0. This will be 0. right? And if at 6 this will be 0, there is a sign greater than equal to 0. So equality sign is there. So x is equal to 6 is satisfying this system of equation. That's the reason we are taking 6. Devendra. Double outcomes, Kunal, or even number of times? Even number of times outcomes are there. That's the reason we are writing this 2 times. If odd number of outcomes are there, we have to write down only once. Yeah, we'll try at least 5 more questions. So don't worry about that. Yes, it is, sir. Why except 6 is answer? Except 6? 6 is the answer. 6 is coming as the answer. Now 5 to 6 and 6 to 7 and 7 to 9 is not coming on the answer, but exactly the value 6 is coming on the answer, because exactly 6 is satisfying, 2 is satisfying, 9 is satisfying. So see, at 2 and 9 there is a close bracket, at 6 is a close bracket. Next one. Go for this. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। एक बार चेक कर लो। Right, very good, everyone. At one time, two, two times, three, one time, six, one time, seven, two time, eight, two times. Only greater than zero means all are open. Now, put any value greater than 8. 8 minus 1 positive, 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 positive. Everything is positive. So I have to start with positive, right? Now, positive, not change the sign, bounce back. Again, bounce back, change the sign, bounce back, change the sign, right? Look back into the question. What is our requirement? Greater than 0. Positive, 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 positive. Okay, कई कई तरीके से आंसर लिख सकते हो आप. The first way to write down the answer is 1 to 3 union 6 to infinity, excluding the value to 7, 8. इसी आंसर को you can write 1 to 2 union 2 to 3 union 6 to 7 union 7 to 8 union 8 to infinity. Both way you can write down the answer. Okay, everyone. One more. ये इसमें कोई कुछ पूछना चाहोगे? Anyone want to ask any question on this? Ayush, Aditya, Sagar, Joel, David, Ethan, Gagandeep, Johanna, Chris, Karan, Umar, Niyati, Pratmesh, Sankalp, Sara, Sisse, Sweta, Pank, are you there? Pank, write down in chat. Yes, why not? See, only you have to see the powers, right? X minus 1 having odd powers, so I'm writing 1 one time. X minus 2 having 12, so even power, writing 2 times. X minus 3 one time. X minus 6 one time because this having odd power. X minus 7 2 times. X minus 8 2 times. right? Now put any value greater than 8. So you are getting positive, 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 positive. So I have started with positive, but this having even power, so it will not change the sign. Again, not change the sign, change the sign, change the sign, not change the sign, and going down. Look back into the question, what is the requirement? Only greater than 0. So where this will be greater than 0, greater than 0, greater than 0, greater than 0, greater than 0. So write down the answer. Pang, concentrate on class. X minus 1, x minus 6, x minus 10 upon x minus 5, x minus 7 greater than equal to 0, power 7, 10, 12, 6, 9. Very good, very good. बहुत अच्छे, very good, doing good. Smriti, you can use bracket also. Very good, doing good. और चलो साथ में देखें, अटेम्प्ट हो गया सभी का. 1 one time, 5 one time, 6 two time, 7 two time, 10 two times. Greater than equal to 0 at 5 and 7 open, and other than these values it must be closed, right? Now put any value greater than 10, 15 minus 1, positive, 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 positive. It's not always start with positive. Every time you have to check positive, but not change the sign, positive, not change the sign, positive, not change the sign, now changing the sign, changing the sign. Look back into the question, what is the requirement? Positive and 0. Positive and 0. Positive and 0. Positive and 0. Right? Now, it's time to write down the answer in beautiful form, right? Minus infinity to 1. Union 5 to 7. Union 7 to infinity, or minus infinity to 1, union 5 to infinity, excluding 7, or different ways, right? When you have to take the values, when you have not to take the values, see this carefully. Yes, Diti, very good. What thing you are not getting and what was the wrong in this, you have to write it down. Please, everyone, write down exactly what you are not getting. Very good, very good. Now clear na, Kunal, Aditya? Aditya, I'm not understanding how to take the values which are not included. So just you have to exclude the values na. See, in this case, only the closed or only the upper part that we have to take. So 5 to 6, 5 we have not to take, so the open bracket in 5, 6 we have to take, so close bracket in 5, or we are saying this 6 is there, so directly 5 to 7 you can take the values, right? And from 7 to infinity again you can take the values, but 7 you have not to take. Or what you can do, 5 to infinity, each and every values you can take, but 7 you have not to take, so exclude the value 7. Very good. Tej, very good. You have written this right. Very good, beta. But obviously, you have to improve. Okay, how can you use the things, right? कैसे सबको मैं एक साथ में use कर सकूं? Now, one more time I'm going, right? Now, I guess everyone is comfortable. Write down yes, comfortable. Now we are going for the question. Now you have to do the question. Okay. Very good, everyone. Very good. Look into this. I guess this time you all are doing very good. Make the number line. Right? It's 1. Now it's 4 2 times, 8 2 times, and 7 1 time. Right? Now 1478. Right? Obviously, at 7 and 8 and 4, it will be open. Closed at 1 and 7. Put any value greater than 8. Positive, bounce back, even power, odd power. Greater than equal to 0. So greater than, and greater than equal to 0 and equal to 0. Could you see this? Could you see this page? Minus infinity to 1 union 7 to 8 union 8 to infinity. One of the way to write down the answer. The second is minus infinity to 1 union 7 to 8 7 to 8 not required now. We can write 7 to infinity excluding 8. How many of you got the answer, either first or second? Write down in the chat, please. Wow, ये time पे आया. Very good, everyone. क्या गड़बड़ गया teach? Now you are understanding now. Rachit, very good. Sana, Karan, David, Kunal, very good. Yes, very good. Very good, everyone. Now, so this is about how to go for this, right? Okay. Now, go for this one. What you'll say about this? Try this out. Write down the answer. Very good, very good. लेट्स स्टार्ट ना, सब लोगों ने कर लिया होगा होपफुली, राइट। तो पहले तो वही हम लोगों को नंबर्स जो भी गिवन है उस पर वर्क करने हैं। सो यू कैन सी दिस कि ऑड एंड इवन पावर्स, राइट। 2 4 4 हमारे पास 2 बार आ रहा है, राइट। 4 इज कमिंग ट्वाइस, राइट। जहां पर क्लोज है ये तीनों क्लोज वाले आ गए, एंड 4 को 2 बार लिखने तो मैंने 4 को 2 बार लिख डाला, राइट। यहां से आगे बढ़ते हैं, राइट। 4 हमारे पास 2 बार आना चाहिए, एंड 3 हमारे पास 2 बार आनी चाहिए, राइट। 3 भी हमारी 2 बार आनी चाहिए। कहाँ पर ओपन है कहाँ पर क्लोज है वो दिख गया। एज वेल एज -1 भी मेरे पास 2 बार आना चाहिए। जो भी इवन पावर्स पे हैं उनको हमने अलग अलग से लिख दिया, राइट। -1 3 एंड 4, राइट। अब 7 के आगे की कोई वैल्यूज आपने पुट की, राइट। व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग, पहले आएगा पॉजिटिव, फिर ये साइन चेंज किया नेगेटिव, फिर साइन चेंज नहीं करेगा, साइन चेंज नहीं करेगा, अगेन इट विल चेंज द साइन बट इट विल नॉट चेंज द साइन, राइट। तो व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग, ग्रेटर देन जीरो। तो ग्रेटर देन जीरो कब है मेरे पास, -इन्फिनिटी से -2 के लिए है, एंड 7 से इन्फिनिटी के लिए है। 4 को ना भूलें, 4 एक अच्छा सा नंबर है, इसे क्यों भूलें। अब जल्दी से सब लोग आंसर लिख के देखो तो क्या आंसर आ रहा है, व्हाट इज योर आंसर। Everyone, write down the answer. Write down the answer. Very good, very good. जल्दी से इसको देखो तो क्या होगा। सबका यही आया आंसर ना, लास्ट इस पे -इन्फिनिटी टू यूनियन 7 to infinity including 4. Okay, Chris, very good. Go for this. इसे देखो तो Very good. Smriti, Rasit, yes. Sagar, Tej, वेरी गुड. अभी देख लेता हूँ बेटा, मुझे क्या चाहिए, ओनली ग्रेटर देन जीरो. तो ये जितने हैं सब के सब ओपन में ही होंगे मेरे पास, राइट. और मुझे क्या चाहिए, पॉजिटिव ग्रेटर देन जीरो. तो ये आ गया 5 to 10. ओपन रखो ना सबको, यहाँ क्लोज क्यों कर रहे हो, यहाँ तो ध्यान से तो देखो, केवल ग्रेटर देन जीरो है ना. 5 to 10 यूनियन 15 to infinity. How many of you got right answer? Please write down yes. Wow, very good everyone. Mehak, very good. Aditya, very good everyone, very good. Hope now you are getting this. Now try this one. Done. Very good. Hope everyone is getting right. Now again greater than zero, na, no close intervals, right? right? So what we require, the positive part. So should I write the answer? Okay, look, where is the positive part on this? Minus infinity to minus 2, minus infinity to minus 2, union 1 to 10, union 15 to infinity. To infinity. All having odd powers. No, no beta. Difficult is only the situation. Try this. Try both the questions. Very good, everyone. Go for both, go for both. Very good. Very good. Done everyone? देखें. See this one. 1, 3 minus x, x minus 2, right? So this is less than 0, right? So put any value greater than 3. So at 3, we know that, okay, यहाँ जो इक्वेशन गिवन है 3 माइनस एक्स है, ये 3 माइनस एक्स था, ये ग्रेटर देन 0 की बात हो रही है, बट ये लेस देन हो गया इफ यू आर राइटिंग ग्रेटर देन 0 की जगह लेस देन 0, राइट. ये साइन चेंज आप कर सकते हो, या आप चाहते तो इसी के लिए जो फर्स्ट गिवन है उसके लिए भी आप नंबर लाइन बना सकते थे. ये नंबर लाइन बनाया, दिस इज 1 2 टाइम्स, राइट, and 3 1 times. And if you are putting any value greater than 3, this will be negative. So it will go from negative, then positive, then positive, then negative. What you required in this case greater than 0, right? And in this case less than 0, right? In both way you'll get the same answer, right? For first case, if you want greater than 0, so 1 to 2 and 2 to 3, or 1 to 3 excluding 2. Okay. अरे आदित्य कैसी बातें कर रहा है बेटा. -5 लेस देन -2 होता है, ठीक है. अब अगर मेरे को माइनस साइन दोनों तरफ से हटाने हैं तो व्हाट यू विल डू. अगर माइनस साइन मैंने दोनों तरफ से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या होगा, सोच के बताओ तो एक बार. इफ यू विल मल्टीप्लाई माइनस साइन, सो 5 लेस देन 2 थोड़ी होगा, इनइक्वालिटी साइन भी तो चेंज होगी, तो 5 ग्रेटर देन 2 होगा. इक्वलिटी नहीं, इनइक्वालिटी. इक्वलिटी क्यों चेंज होगा, अगर इक्वल टू रहता तो इक्वल टू ही रहता, उसमें तो कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं होती, राइट. सेकंड वन, द फर्स्ट नंबर इज 5/6 एंड सेकंड नंबर इज -1/4. अच्छा, right? So make the number line. In this number line, right, first number is 5/6, second number is -1/4. Put any value greater than 5/6. So positive, negative, positive. What you required, this is negative, right? What you required, less than 0, negative part. So this part, right, -1/4 to 5/6. -1/4 to 5/6. Is it okay? Very good. How many of you got all this correct? Okay. So we'll wait, we'll do few more questions, right? आपको comfortable करूँगा. Then I'll go for quadratic, right? So we'll go for few questions that you have to see. Just wait. Now, the same type of question we are doing, right, with the powers, and now this time you have to be what is doubt in second one? What is doubt in second one? What, Sagar? The question was given. Just a minute. I'm again going back to the question. Could you see the question? Yes. Tell me. See, the 6x minus 5 and 4x plus 1. So 6x minus 5 will be 0 at 1 4 5 6 क्यों लेगा बेटा? 1 4 5 6 लेने का मतलब हुआ x minus 1, x minus 4, x minus 5, x minus 6 गिवन हो. अब गिवन है यहाँ पर 6x minus 5 तो लेना होगा when this 6x minus 5 will be 0 तो x is equal to 5 by 6. 4x plus 1 will be 0 तो 4x plus 1 will be 0 at x is equal to minus 1 by 4. यस कुणाल, कमिंग ऑन दैट बता रहा हूँ वो भी बेटा ना. पहले सागर का प्रॉब्लम को मैं खत्म कर दूं बेटा, फिर आपके में आता हूँ. ओके डन नाउ. हाँ कुणाल आए, सुने ध्यान से आप अगर इसको ट्रांसफर कर दोगे ना, मान लेता हूँ ये नीचे जो गिवन है 4x प्लस 1 को ट्रांसफर कर दिए 0. चलो यहाँ इसको भी कर लो, नीचे 0 हो गया तो 1 लेस देन 0. क्वेश्चन खत्म. अरे ये x वेरिएबल के साथ में ये पूछ रहा है कि ये x की कौन कौन सी वैल्यूज आप पुट करोगे तो ये पॉजिटिव होगा या नेगेटिव होगा. आपको कैसे मालूम कि 4x प्लस 1 पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है? हम लोग ये बात जानते हैं कि अगर मेरे पास कभी भी नंबर गिवन हो मतलब x के टर्म में, तो ये मुझे नहीं मालूम है कि ये जो 4x प्लस 1 है ये 4x प्लस 1 पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है. राइट 4x प्लस 1 पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है. अगर मैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूं तो मुझे अगर ये मालूम ही नहीं है पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है तो इनइक्वालिटी साइन तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी ना. अगर -5/4 राइट लेस देन 2 मैंने ये कहा राइट. अब मैं -5 को इधर रखूं और 4 को इधर मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो तुम्हारी बात सही हो जाएगी, 8 ग्रेटर देन -5. अगर मैं माइनस को ऊपर की जगह नीचे लिख दिया और मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो मेरा ये 5 लेस देन -8 हो जाएगा, जो कि शाहिद कपूर जी ने बोला हुआ था ना, गंदी 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 बात बोला आ जाएगा. नो सॉरी, इट्स ओके, अंडरस्टैंड राइट. सो जो भी x के टर्म्स रहेंगे यू कांट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई दिस. बाद में वो भी समझाऊंगा, कभी कभी मल्टीप्लाई कर भी सकते हैं राइट, लेकिन यू कांट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इन दिस केस ना. Now, look, if I'm saying कि like numbers are given, in terms of x again, x minus 1, x minus 4 upon 3x minus 1, 2x minus 1, right? Power 3, power 6, power 9, 32 greater than equal to 0, right? Solve this first. Second, 3x minus 4, 2x minus 9, 5 minus 3x, 6 minus 8x. ये दो. Do it fast. Very good. Yes, Sagar, Diti, send your answer. Diti, very good. Very good, very good. Chalo. Let me start this. So the first one, this is 1 by 2 means zero point 0.5 one time. This is 1 by 3 is 0.33 two times, and 4 is coming as 2 times. This is closed, this is closed, this is open, right? Now, from it's coming from positive, going to positive, negative, and negative, right? So this will be greater than 0, this part and this part, including this, right? So answer is, in the simplest form we can write as half to infinity, right? Half closed, 4 is also closed. How many of you are getting this answer? Half to infinity. What solving of the equation, Karan? What solving of equation? Second one. Make the number line. This is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is 1.33 approximately, right? I have written ki kuch gadbad na ho, right? Then 9 by 2 is 4.5, right? It's 4.5, right? This 5 by 3 is obviously 5 by 3 is 1.56, 1.66, right? And this 2 by 3, 6 by 8, right? 3 by 4, right? So this 3 by 4, but 3 by 4 two times. 4 by 3 closed, 9 by 2 closed, open, open. Any value greater than 9 by 2. This time it will start with negative. 9 by 2, this will be negative, and every other thing will be positive. So negative, then going, but this is not going. And what the requirement? Requirement is always greater than 0 or equal to 0. Oh, good, great. Look into this, right? If you are putting any value greater than 9 by 2, let the value is 10. So if you are putting value 10, so 3 into 10 minus 4 will be positive. 2 into 10 minus 9 will be positive. 5 minus this will be negative. 6 minus this will be negative, but this having even power, so this will be positive. 3 positive, 1 negative. Multiplication or division will be positive or negative? Negative. So I have started with negative. I'm not understanding, Karan, what you are asking. This 2x minus 1 will be 0, so x is equal to half. What I'll solve in this? This x minus 4 will be 0, so x is equal to 4. 3x minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 by 3. Is it okay? Karan. This was for HILF 1.3 and 4.5, so I have removed that, right? Okay. Okay. Do it fast. Very good, very good. So, write down few questions. X minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 7 upon x minus 5, x minus 6, A, B, C, D, E powers, right? And A, B, C, D, E powers को I'm giving some values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, 6, 9, 10, 5, 9, 10, 20, 30, 4th, 10, 7, 6, 4, 2. Yes, you have to revise this. 4, 3, 2, 1, 5. Okay. I'm not giving anything, any homework because you have to prepare for exam, right? And कोई भी doubt होगा, you can ask me directly. You can send question to me, right? You can ask this. Chalo, all the best, and I'll wait for your doubts. Okay? यस तेज, ये क्वेश्चन मार्क दे दिया यार, पूरा लिखा करना, 25 मैसेज आ जाते उसके बीच में.